Welcome back to the vlog. Where we at? New Cumberland, PA. Cars and coffee. Where you got your coffee at?
Duncan?
Probably will be the last Cars and Coffee for the summer, which I don't even think it's summer, but pretty cold out here. My coffee ready. Got the Mazda right there. Look at these babies. Let me take a little clip on there.
When I was in Boston, I used to hate when they cross it, and they're like, yeah, and you can't run them over, you can't get out the car and touch them, nothing. And I'm like, crap, I'm just here waiting.
I know.
And then they just lay down.
Because they're protected. They're protected.
And then they just
and they look at you and they're like, what?
You
can't go.
But it's not just one. It's like 20.
Oh, okay.
Got all the muscle cars going on here.
You haven't been able to find that latch yet?
Rip. Mean. Got the porch. I'm waiting on the Lambos. Where's the Lambos? The exotics. Look at this. Subi gang. Every time I see a Subi, I miss mine. Fall asleep. That's vinyl wrap, isn't it? That?
Maybe.
I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, you can see it on the front plate. Look, you're the only one who parks like wrong the other way.
Yeah,
Turn your car around, man.
That Audi did.
Turn your car around. Guy scared the crap out of me. Right here, the best car in this show right now. I'm showing it to you. Oh man, I like the Subi. Mira, look at this. El Viro. Ese Viro nosotros fuimos por un car show hace tiempo atrás. Yo no recuerdo, tú tiraste una foto hace un tiempo atrás. It is cold, it is early. It is cold, it is early. I think it's supposed to start at 9. It's already like this, not even 9 yet. And it's from 9 to 12. I'm already cold, freezing. Like, I don't know if I'm old. I don't know if I'm old, I'm sorry. But it is pretty cold. Anyway, I don't even want to keep holding the phone. So yeah. Anyway, That's it. To the next one. What's going on, Chris?
What up?
To the next one. You already know, be safe.